How to invert colors on iPhone. So this will work for all iOS devices, whether it's an iPhone or iPad, and this is going to fix, change, or turn on or turn off inverted colors on your iPhone. So depending on what you want, this should be able to fix it for you. So first of all, you're going to want to go to the settings. So on the home page of your iOS device, click on settings. Then you want to scroll down to accessibility, click on accessibility. Once you're in there, you want to click on the section where it says display and text size. Once you're in the display and text size section, you want to scroll down slightly until you see the part where it says classic invert. You want to click on that, depending if it's on or off. If it's kind of like in colored form, it's going to be turned on. If it's in the black form, it's going to be turned off. So depending on what you want to turn on or off the classic invert. You can also do smart invert as well. You can turn it off or on if you want to change it as you wish. So hopefully this should fix it for you. If it did, leave a like on the video and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.